Hey guys, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to another video. So today, I did a video, or I'm going to do a video about my dog reacting to a funny video on my phone that I made. The video, it'll be posted if we get up to, let's say, 30 likes. 30 likes, I'll post the video. So he's going to be acting to a bunny noise. I don't know what it is. It's a weird whistle. Alright, so right here we'll get a good face picture. Grab my phone. Dang damn it, it's not working. And start the video. That was it for the video, folks. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like. Make sure we get up to 30 likes because I'll release the video I just played. And subscribe, turn on notifications. Peace out, y'all.